friends! Welcome to Jay Cooks. Today we're making Shahi chicken do pyaza. So let's see what we're going to need to make this. So first add cilantro, spearmint, garlic, and ginger to a blender and blend it. Second, add a cup of peeled and soaked almonds along with a cup of water to a blender and blend it. Set the mixture aside for later. In a grinder, grind up some black pepper, cinnamon, and bay leaves to a fine powder. De-seed some dried red chillies and soak in hot water for 10 to 20 minutes. Prepare drumsticks in a mixing bowl, add yogurt and salt as per taste, and mix thoroughly. Saran wrap the chicken and allow it to marinate to the side for 1 to 2 hours. In the meanwhile, add some butter to a wok and let it come to a simmer. Once simmering, add black cumin and bay leaves. Gently add your cilantro mix to the butter and mix well. Add more butter and let simmer to the side. While the butter is simmering, dice some onions and add it to your cilantro and butter mix. Immerse the onions completely into the butter. Add the chicken to the mixture and make sure to coat the chicken entirely. Allow the chicken to cook on its own and make sure to occasionally stir it. In a separate pan, heat up some butter. Once the butter is melted, add some black cumin, bay leaves, and some coriander seeds. Mix it until you have a thick paste. Add the masala paste to the wok. And mix into the chicken. Add the almond mix to the chicken along with the kesar soaked in milk. Add the soaked red chilies and give everything a good mix. Allow the chicken to cook some more on its own. And now our chicken is ready. Serve on a plate and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching.